I think I just hit breaking point. I need to treat myself to a saucepan shower. Oh.
We're going today to leave Mooloolaba Bar.
We don't have any spares of this, do we? This little guy, he runs all of our instruments. He's gone. Literally in an instant, your whole day changes. What happened?
I think the fuse is broken for a reason.
Yes, we didn't leave again this morning. And they're off only after 3 attempts. This is Slim.
3 knots on the face, skipper!
I'm Soph, the skipper. Oh, and we have a fluffy crew member too, Chili. We live aboard our 1989 Duncanson 34. She may be vintage, but her glory days are far from over. No! We're taking her around Australia, exploring our beautiful Aussie backyard. We put new videos out every Monday, so subscribe. Come along with us.
Alright, so where are we? We're still in Mooloolaba Bar. We've had an interesting week. It's been me playing with the wiring again, but the good news is finally have the anchor light working. That happened late last night sometime. The batteries seem to have charged back up and we haven't had any major losses since the blackout, like any damage to the batteries that I can tell, so we're happy there. We lost our forward nav lights, just the starboard light actually. Found a loose connection there and I'm just going to redo that connection. Particularly Soph has just been that flat out all week. Uni and work and everything sort of just correlated on top of us with a few random things as they do on the boat breaking. We're gonna get ship shape again so we can continue to keep cruising up the coast.
I haven't had a shower since last Saturday. It is now Friday afternoon. I'm so glad that there is a bit of glass between you and I right now. I don't even think I've gotten off the boat in the last couple of days. This week has been... There has not been a single stop, and I think I just hit breaking point and I had a small little fit. I need to treat myself to a saucepan shower.
Yeah, so I've made Soph's water for a shower, myself a coffee.
This is how we shower on Nakama.
He's a sun. And it shines.
Your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth.
And that's when you know it's the end of your shower. When your bucket's out, then you're done.
All of the world.
You say, why would you look outside yourself when
We just found out Zac Efron bought a house in Byron Bay, so like this we're gonna head a little bit further north. We're gonna go.
Alright, what's the time?
5:50.
What are we doing?
Getting to the bar at 6 o'clock. Nah, maybe a little bit past 6. We're going today to leave Mooloolaba Bar and head up to Double Island Point. Yes. Yes.
We don't have any spares of this, do we?
We've been trying to buy spares of that for a while.
Okay, so this little guy, he runs all of our instruments. He's gone, and we don't have any spares for this. So we can't go until we get one of these. We'll try and have a look if we have one, but I'm pretty sure that we don't have any spares, and I know. This is our old, really, really old fuse box of globes that are from like God knows what year. And we thought if there's going to be one, it'll probably be in there.
The other thing is, we could just make a fuse, but I don't know. I don't like we just put that new water helm in, and I really don't want to damage it.
Yeah, it's a bit sus, right?
It is a little bit sus. Well, it's just that the fuse is there, the fuse blows to protect the things.
So we're just thinking while we're in a place that we know that there's a Whitworth we can tender over to, we should probably just get some backup fuses today. It's funny how sailing, your mornings are like, woo, we're going, and then literally in an instant, your whole day changes, your whole plans change. To Whitworth we go!
Whoa! Not looking good. I've been to so many chandleries looking for these fuses. Alright, so I guess the reason that all the chandleries I've been to looking for these things don't have them is that apparently it's an automotive part. Apparently there's a super cheap auto up here and we're going to give that a crack. A bit more of a skate ahead of us, I guess. Oh, I've got an elevated heart rate. I've always got an elevated heart rate. Please work! Instruments.
It's a negative.
Not getting any love from the power supply here.
We said we wouldn't do it. We're doing it.
I'm gonna just make a little fuse out of tinfoil.
We're doing it. How to construct a fuse with Slim and Soph. I don't know how to do it.
I'll do it.
Do you just make a little tinfoil ball?
If this works. I'm gonna see. This, I have no idea what I'm doing with this. I'm gonna wrap the old fuse in foil.
Oh my god! Is it still going?
No.
Oh my god. It just started smoking out. Oh Jesus, what happened?
I don't know, I think the fuse is broken for a reason.
It's not still burning, is it?
Not that I can see.
Scary. Your thoughts?
Try and just bypass this fuse with a new fuse. I think this is f***ed.
How to do boats with Slim and Soph.
Alright, so what I've done is those fuses we just went for that skate forward to buy didn't work. I think because this little fuse holder thing, I don't understand it. I have no idea what it's for. The last time our instruments weren't working is because I think Soph and her dad disconnected it thinking it was nothing. It clearly was something, but now it's broken again. So I've just bypassed it and put in this fuse here.
Okay.
Every time, because I don't know what I'm doing, when we figure it out, I just get this big sigh of like, oh.
We did it! We're so good! Yes, we didn't leave again this morning. We got up again early. Looks like it's going to go northerly this afternoon, so we're a little bit nervous about the anchorage at Double Island Point in a northerly and getting there late, not being able to get into the lagoon. Oh, I don't know, we just were feeling a bit nervous about it. Our next stop is Double Island Point. It's a north-facing ocean anchorage where a large sand spit has formed, offering a great amount of protection, but only allowing some vessels with a shallow enough draft to squeeze in behind. Last year, we spent a night in the rolls outside the lagoon, but this year we're hoping it's deep enough for us now. We're gonna go just have a little spruce, jump in the water on the beach, and have a shower at the beach.
Lila, I sing this song for you.
I thought we were going to be sailing in this video, but I think it's going to be more like a how we shower without a shower video.
Hold this and never talk yourself out of it. Lila,
Now this is a shower with a view. It's pretty nice showering on the beach, let's just say that. I mean, I know it's public and I am really truly sorry that we're doing this, but it is a really nice place to shower. I've always wanted an outdoor bathroom. I think when I have a house, I'll definitely get myself an outdoor bathroom.
when you feel the harmony, smile with the sons of the
And that's one way to shower when you don't have a shower. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for southeast Queensland and Sunshine Coast. Whoa! It's gonna be an interesting one. So we're gonna change our alternator belt, and we bought a couple of spares, but we didn't actually get the right size, so putting the old one back on, I guess.
Alright, so the engine's on, the dinghy's up, third time this week. It's all looking good so far. Looks like we're heading out. There's a little bit of a storm cloud askew from our stern, but out behind us, and we don't know. Like, do we just charge it out the bar and try and get ahead of the thing, or do we wait a sec?
Well, it's hard to know, isn't it?
We'll never know.
You never know, you never know.
Oh, boat life, eh? Just decisions. There's a lot of estimating and a lot of guessing. So I've just made the call, we're doing it, we're going. Alright, I'm gonna go suit up, life jacket, Harley on the shit to do. More dedicated than most guys, well done.
Good morning! How are we all this morning? We are feeling a bit better once we have gotten out. That storm is passing behind us. The swell's quite lumpy, very rolly. The bar was super fine. There's not really that much wind. I was hoping that we might actually be able to sail today, but Bomb said it was 10 to 15 knots southerly, so hopefully we can get a little bit of a breeze up. We're going to Double Island Point today. It's about a 44 nautical mile sail north.
How did I manage to get camped on a boat? That's why everyone drags in Mooloolaba Bar. Like if you run out of diesel, you can probably burn it. It's like that wheelie mud. It's horrible.
While it's a beautiful morning, we just want to say thank you to everyone that we meet. It's just really nice when people come up and say g'day. And we just want to say thank you to Chris and Helen and Robert for taking us out for dinner. That was amazing. We just appreciate that so much. Yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys up north. It's completely glassed off now. It was like the wind was gonna be there, and then it was on our beam for a bit and it was picking up and was looking really hopeful, but then now it's just glassed off.
Soph made us a not chicken salad. Wondrous worlds of food science. This is the exact same spot we got a fish. Oh, it's putting up a bit of a fight this one.
So I'm just going to read you something from this book. Striped tuna have very dark red meat which is quite strongly flavoured but is suitable for smoking, salting and canning. In other words, it's not an excellent fish. Oh, alright, so we have 3.9 miles until the headland. I guess not too long now. Simon finally caught a fish.
Yes.
I'm slightly traumatised.
The poor little guy probably would have gone back in the drink, but he just swallowed the entire lure. But it was another like bait style fish.
So we're gonna try and squeeze into the lagoon this time. We're hoping, fingers crossed, I think it's gonna be deep enough for us this time. We're just gonna literally poke our nose into where the spit sort of ends. Hopefully we can just shove our nose in there a little bit to get out of these rolls, because it's quite rolly on the outside of the lagoon and mostly Cat's just on the inside, but we're gonna try our luck. It's one of those lucks that you don't really want to go wrong. We've been talking to lots of other people. I think we should be fine. Anyway, we're just gonna nosy on in. Mosey on in and see how we go. So there's a spit along here. The cats are behind that spit and the spit ends sort of just inside where that cat just went. We've got 0.3 underneath us. It is so shallow.
It's kind of freaky, but yeah.
We made it into the lagoon.
We did it.
Done this. Oh,
we did it. Hey, Slim and Soph, gonna take over the east coast of Australia. Gonna take a cat in a boat like it's a car. I don't know. I should start a kids show. This is a f***ing kids show.
I'm unbelievably grateful to have made it in here. Feels good. Feels good. Oh. So good. I'm just gonna cook a fillet that we got from the fish. Even though it's like people say that it's shit, I'm like, may as well try it. So I'm gonna try and cook up one. Also, I was thinking if I don't like it, then maybe because the book said that it was good for canned tuna, I'm like, it could be interesting to try tinning some tuna? Jarring some tuna.
For chili
so
or
that,
for like us?
No, for like human consumption.
Like full proper, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. We'll see how we go. But it won't go to waste. Let's just say it won't go to waste. Ah, I'm getting really hot here. Okay. Gotta go. Bye. Shall we sit down? Yeah, definitely not the bestest fish. It's sort of just like super tough, you know? It's chewy. This is tin tuna. This is what tin tuna would be. For sure. Everything about this resembles tin tuna. Anyway.
Bye.
I'm glad we covered that one. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to tune in next week for our time at Double Island Point. We've made sure to keep track of the tides, depths and times in order to give our fellow monohullers a comprehensive rundown of when and where to anchor in the lagoon. We will also be crossing, you guessed it, the Wide Bay Bar.
Bay, this is sailing Catamarans.
But no, seriously, what's more dangerous is us attempting to tin that tuna.
Okay, 3 hours. Starting.
Thank you.